You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be installing this flat twist braided wig on this beautiful lady right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to use the Eco Styler gel or any gel to lay her edges to the back, and then I'm going to start the installation process. So I'm going to apply foundation on her stocking cap, that way it matches a bit with her skin, and after that I'm going to apply the same foundation on the braided wig, like the lace inside of the braided wig, that way it looks more like it's growing from her scalp. This braided wig is available on my website together with some other styles as well, and this unit is called Wendy. The length of this hair is 36 inches. So I'm going to leave every details of this wig and my website in the description box of this video.
Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby, make you follow me.
After positioning the wig, I'm going to cut off the lace using a small scissors and an eyebrow razor.
She a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me low. Tell me what you want and bro. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want and bro. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Big bad man point instrumental. Give me your one time. It's okay.
See when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive.
After cutting the lace, I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued free spray and the cool setting on my blow dryer to glue down this wig.
Man I tell him me then go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try.
After doing all of that, I'm going to use a hair tie to tie down the hairline, that way it lays down perfectly.
She a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me and see.
So when I was transferring the video to my hard drive, something happened which I do not really know, so I lost the clip where I did her baby hair. All I did was cut the baby hair shorter and I used my edge control to lay it down. So that's basically all I did for the edges. And right now I'm using the same foundation on the lines just to make it pop and you know, just to make it pop basically. But this step is totally optional, you don't have to do it. So that's basically all that I did for this tutorial. I hope you guys found it helpful. Like I said before, this wig is available on my website, and the name of this unit is called Wendy. You can also find other styles as well on my website. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye guys.
Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Be that thing where I go feel late, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah nah nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, call on me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. Let me know, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Let me know, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad